Hey guys, welcome to FRC. This is your host Karan. I want to unpack one of my kids' COVID-19 pandemic mitigation kits, and I'm going to show you inside what kind of products are there, and I hope you can use this kit and be safe from pathogens. Hang tight and keep watching FRC. Hey guys, welcome to FRC. Today I want to do unboxing, unwrapping or unpackaging review for COVID kit, COVID pandemic mitigation kit. So hang tight, keep watching FRC. I'll be opening this kit in front of you and I will be showing you how it'll be useful. Oh, there you go. So this is a COVID-19 pandemic mitigation kit. It's apparently I hope it's useful for people. They can be lives can be saved by this. Let's see. Okay, so I'll be opening this and let's see how this goes. Here, just unwrap this and here, what's inside here. Okay, so nothing inside, empty now. So that's the wrapper. So this is first thing, medical masks, non-medical masks. These are the masks, you can wear them. Okay, we'll see that after. What is this? One biohazard waste bag. Okay, you can dispose this after this is like a Ziploc bag basically, and it can be used to throw away or use gloves and masks. That's what it is. That is a biohazard disposable bag. Okay, these are the gloves, the rubber surgical grade gloves in size large, and surgical grade gloves size medium. I believe there are two pairs of each in there. So let's open these and see how it is. Here, let's open this. I think medium is gonna be same thing. So there's like one pair I'm wearing and one, so two pairs of each in this. Okay, and then what is this? Okay, this is American product, Paws by SafeTech, and it is antiseptic hand towels. It is very useful if you do not have soap nearby or any other hand sanitizer nearby. This is very useful. You can open like this. You can use it on gloves. You can use directly on the skin. Hey guys, you can use directly on the skin. It's a disinfectant hand towel. It disinfects your hands and gloves. It smells nice too as well. Antiseptic, so it's smells good. Smells good too. Like it smells fresh. So that's that. That's one of the products. These are 10 of them in there. So you can use them. These are like antiseptic hand towels. So these are very useful for you guys. That's that. And what is this? Okay, there's alcohol swabs. These are alcohol swabs. This is a Canadian packaging company, and it's a made in Toronto product. Healthcare alcohol swabs. It's apparently I add these, but these are for people who want to inject or use a needle to inject something and they want to clean the skin before that. I think ideally this is the use for this product. So this is additional product in my first aid kit. Basically, it'll be useful for you guys. Anybody wants to have some medication or something like that, it's very useful in that sense. So that's that. That was one of the biohazard disposable bag. After using all the garbage, you can put everything in it. Actually, I should do that too. Actually, here you go. So that's that. And this is all that in there, and this is also going in here. It's all garbage. Biohazard disposable bag. Okay, that's that. And let's open this. These are the masks. These are the masks. There are apparently should be 7 masks in there, and it can be used. It's non-medical grade masks, blue standard masks, and they are soft, good to wear. You can wear it. There you go. That's one of the masks. I just wore it, and I think it's useful that way. You can take it out and you remove it very nicely. Okay, one more, I'll show you how to wear this. Hold the mask by the string. Make sure the metal strip, which is right here on the mask, the top, it goes on your nose like this. You can hold the nose strip and like this. Make sure you fix your glasses and it goes on it. Perfect, straight and simple. So this is COVID-19 pandemic kit, everything at one place. So this is going in garbage right now, anyways it's used. So it's very handy actually, you know, instead of throwing all the used masks and gloves in the on the grass, on the road, on the street. So in that sense it's very useful. So you can use this like that. The way you take out the rubber gloves is like this. You don't touch, put one finger underneath, you do this, and then there's other, and then you remove it and then you dispose it. It goes right here, and you seal this disposable mask. You seal the bag right like that, and it's garbage. It's disposed nice and clean. And there we go. So that's a garbage. That's biohazard bag. So that's that, guys. That's what I want to show you. This is what that kit is. This is the brand new kit. That's how it looks like. And this is the kit. Everything at one place: mask, gloves, antiseptic hand towels, alcohol swab, biohazard bag. Everything at one place. You know, and it's very useful for everyone. Please be safe. Use this and follow the government guidelines. You'll be safe. Thank you and have a nice day. Please be safe and follow the protocols.